Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do a little bit of fall prep. I'm making my lunch, I'm going to eat, and then we're going to get started, but the goal is to get all the curtains down and wash them. While they're washing, I want to quickly dust baseboards and crown molding throughout the house, and I think that was it in the house. Oh, and take down summer decor. Just to get prepped. We're not going to decorate yet for fall, but I just want to take it all down. And then I want to go outside and put the grill away because I'm not using it. I'm out of propane. I'm not buying any more for this season. So we're going to get the grill put in the garage. And I think that's it for fall prep. This will be a quick short video. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to show you and do it. All right, this is the part I hate because all the curtains are going to come down and then I'm going to be exposed to the outdoors. But let's get these all down. I want to do all of them. Now we're gonna Swiffer crown molding baseboards as much as I can, and I'm also gonna hit the ceiling fan. All right, last room is the office. So basically I just take the curtains out and I hang them up to dry. One, then they don't wrinkle, and two, then the whole house smells like laundry soap. We're gonna start here in the bedroom with it, and then we'll hang them all back up and work on the summer decor. thing left to do is pick up summer decor, which is mainly kitchen. You know what? Summer decor is in the kitchen, in the bathroom, and then the table runner in here. I am not going to put the pillow covers away yet because they need to be washed. So that'll go in the laundry this weekend when I swap over pillows or something. This mug, which I'm going to put in the dishwasher so I don't forget to wash it. And then we'll put out a neutral mug for right now. Okay. I'm going to give you a sneak peek at the fall decor I bought. I got these off of Amazon. They're super fuzzy. They had them in a lot of colors and it was like, I think $8 for 2 pillow covers, and then I had the pillows already. These were $17, I think, for 3. I just think I want to use these this year and change up using the cotton. I bought this off of Walmart. It was like $7. It's like a little basket shaped like a pumpkin. I think I'm going to stand it upright though. Okay, so I got these candles at Target. They were $7.99, I think, a piece, and it was buy one, get one 50% off, but they're warm apple cider. I just thought these would be fun to go in the bathrooms, and then I could leave the lid off if I want a little scent. This I bought on Amazon. I won't lie, this was like 20 bucks, even with the coupon, but it's that real textured, like a candle, but it's battery operated. I've been seeing this all over Instagram and thought I would kind of like that instead of those plug-in pumpkins I've used in the last few years with the jack-o'-lantern face on them, because this is more grown-up adult. And to be fair, because once I come in from outside, I'm probably going to get straight into the shower. So I'm going to thank you for watching my video today. Hopefully you get your fall prep done here soon. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day. But I'm going to go take care of the grill, and this is where I'm going to leave you.